We first uninstall this structure. The first we uninstall, the last you install. You need to press that place, then take it out. This white place to press, then it will out. We put the screw back to this place. This structure we also uninstall. We still back the screw on its hole, its own hole. We back it. The same to this one also. Now the blue structure is also installed. We same do here. Uninstall the blue structure. This is the emergency stop for the gantry. Please do not install or uninstall this place. This cannot do anything on it. Please do not touch it. And this one, don't touch it. No need change it. We second uninstall this motor. That means your second is the last step. Second step is install motor. This take it off is okay. There is a screw. You tense it by this screw. We still back the screw to the old place. Lastly, we need to uninstall here. Those 4 screws is connected with the block. The block on the rail. There's the block. And this one can pull it out. We release this screw. Kick this from here is okay. Okay.
等会儿再给它放几个张螺丝。
The same way we do from here. Firstly, we uninstall this chain. We back the screw to its structure.
给它帮忙拆。看要是不碍事就不用。哎，行，山上一个螺丝。
这2个有正反吗？
山上一个好斜的螺丝。
写2的给2在一起是吧 ？This is 2. This is 2.
这个大是。
This is uninstall the block. The 2 block. This one please and that one please. Each block has 4 screws to fix with this gantry.
对，一样的。你得装上上个软壳，你画下。
好了。The motor in the boxes. There is a 4 screw to fix the motor. Because we need to uninstall this light.
是吧？好。
Then we put it down to fold down. When you install, you can put it stand and take the screw on. This for here.
把那个电圈打开来。
We put the motor screw on the motor. The screw back to this place. Okay. Screw back to this place. We uninstall this limit. Limit switch. The switch limit in this smaller box.这个还用拆吗？
这不换个切开吗？
We uninstall this one. The screw back to the place. We print oil. Here is the button, so we put some foam on the surface.对，在它们之间弄上泡沫。
对。是吧？
这是个线。When you install this block, please make it here. We draw the line. Here. We leave it here.
左对。我过去大眼儿咋这么深？那必须的，你看我
We back the screw here. This is a LED light. We need to uninstall it. There is a screw, and here is a screw. After uninstall the screw, we can take off the LED light line.
查没事，只要别碰了就。
开的嘞。This gantry is directly up.
姐，他配了。